Good, still raining Thursday morning, mga ka-kitchen. Today, we all are turning Italians. And let's go ahead and make Biscotti Italiano. We will need ang ating flour or farina, ang ating pampabango, vanilla or vanilla, at ang ating always present burro or butter, ang ating dark raisins, Chilean green raisins. Meron din tayo dyan na rancherosa or blood orange, baking powder, and dried apricots. Meron din tayo dyan arachide or peanuts, nochole or hazelnuts, ang ating wova or egg, zucchero, sugar, at kailangan din natin ng parchment paper and baking pan. Let's pour in our sugar. Huwag na masyadong madami kasi matamis na yung mga dried fruits. And yes, less sugar, more healthy. Next, let's add in yung mga eggs natin one at a time. And then, we should mix and blend well. Para maganda yung distribution ng eggs natin sa ating sugar and butter mixture. We'll now add our flour gradually, add and mix para well blended siya sa ating mixture. But don't overmix kasi pag daw overmix ang batter, pang cake na yon. Ganyan lang siya. And we are so ready to mix in our dried fruits and nuts, mga ka-kitchen. This looks lusciously tempting already. Gawa tayo ng egg wash. Beat one egg with some sugar and let's brush it on top of our batter para maging shiny ang ating biscotti. So, eto at ibabalik natin ulit siya dun sa oven toaster. Yan, ang ganda-ganda.